So you may have multiple files which belong together. So if you want to go ahead and then have easy access to all of those multiple files, then what you can do is you can go around and then add them out as collections. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto my TuTube drive right here, just like this. And let me just go around onto the images folder. So here you can see that I got some files right here. So what I can simply do is I can go around over here and then I can go around and press this button right here and call it a new collection. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and say similar images. So I can rename it to whatever I want and press OK. And then similar images collection actually pops up right here, as you can see in the collection section. So here you can see that these are the images right here, just like this, and you can remove them out from collection as well. So remove from collection and the selected image gets removed, as you can see right here. Let me just press back, and over here what you can also do is you can click and drag it out to the collection right here, just by clicking and dragging it out to a particular collection, and then it stays in the collection. So the collection actually is a link to those files, and you have easy access to your files once you go ahead and create it. You can create multiple collections as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say flowers right here, and I'm going to press OK. So now what you can simply do is you can go ahead and click and drag around the flower related images, let's say for example on these particular collections right here. If I were to go around over here onto flowers section, then this is what you have. And that is how you can go ahead and add files as collections inside of Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.